Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now. Crush 3 Oreos into crumbs and reserve 3 whole halves for centers. Melt 60 g dark chocolate with 30 g butter until smooth. This gives the lava its pourable body. In a bowl, whisk 1 egg and 30 g sugar until slightly frothy so the cake lifts. Once done, fold 30 g flour and Oreo crumbs into the chocolate mixture. Make sure the batter is thick but spoonable before filling ramekins. Now assemble. Spoon half the batter into each greased ramekin, then press a whole Oreo center down into the middle so the cookie becomes the molten core. Once in place, cover with the remaining batter and tap the ramekin on the counter to remove large air pockets. This ensures even rise. Make sure rims are clean so lids or baskets sit flat. Arrange ramekins in a single layer in the air fryer to allow uniform hot air circulation. Finish by cooking at 170 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes depending on your fryer. Check at 7 minutes to avoid overbaking because you want a set edge and a molten center. Once done, rest the cakes for 3 minutes so the center stabilizes. You can invert or serve straight from the ramekin with ice cream. If the lava is too firm, reheat 15 to 20 seconds. If still donut-like, increase cooking by 30-second increments and test again. Adjusting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.